Every time I return to the Shambles, this street, I forget just how wonky, tilted, and wonderfully overhanging it really is. How beautiful is this? This is the Shambles in York. Wow. It was named the most picturesque street in Britain in 2010, and it's also recognised as Europe's best preserved and medieval street. And I love it. Come explore and find out more with me. Like, literally, wow. See this overhang? How amazing. Have you ever seen a street where the overhang is so close and the floors meet so closely together? It's incredible. It's insane. Believe it or not, the charming name, the Shambles, comes from the Anglo-Saxon word fleshambles, meaning flesh shelves. The very shelves outside butcher shops where cuts of meat were displayed back in the day, in medieval times. This street was known as the Great Flesh Shambles. So these crooked timber frame buildings overhead, they weren't built wonky by accident. The top floors were intentionally designed to jut out, shading the meat on the shelves below. Less sunlight meant, well, fresher meat, or at least as fresh as medieval meat could be. If you notice the raised pavements on either side, there's a reason the Shambles was cleverly built with dip through the middle, a channel where butchers would wash blood and offal like down the street. Twice a week, the entire place was rinsed like a giant outdoor sink. Hard to imagine that happened right here. It's wild to think that the same street once filled with raw meat is now lined with boutiques, sweet shops, and wizard shops, and cafes and pubs. In fact, in 2010, the Shambles won the title the most picturesque street in Britain, which would have shocked anyone from the Middle Ages. It's amazing. There were Shambles all around the country that York has preserved and kept the street as amazing as it is. And if the street feels strangely familiar, especially to Harry Potter fans, you're not just imagining it. Its whimsical, crooked charm reportedly inspired the Harry Potter movie designers behind Diagon Alley. You can see it because it's so old and a wonderful shopping street. And there's more than one wizard-themed shop along the street, ready to transport you straight into the magic. It's amazing to have it first thing in the morning because it can get really busy here. So let's take a look down. The Potions Cauldron, definitely a coffee shop of some sort, and with potions in, beautifully themed. Up here, look at the, just beautiful, absolutely stunning. Having a look around, look, York Vikings shop there. Some York souvenirs in the shop. Amazing. Here's some tea rooms. Incredible just to look down at the street and the wonder of it. Love this building here. Oh, cheesecake. Wow. Oh, freckle face. I've got a shop here on the Shambles. Amazing to see. I just have to walk back a little. You might hear some people doing some work here because it gets so busy. First thing in the morning is the time to do it. Wow. Oh, just taking it in. Thank you so much for joining me and just seeing how amazing this street is. It's so incredible. Like, how is this real? It just feels like a movie set, doesn't it? It just has that sense of charm and magic, and you wonder who walked down the street back in the day, and what stories these walls have had, because you can really feel the street's been here for so long, and there's not many places in the world, or in the UK, or in the world, that you can feel that. Wow. Thank you so much. Just want to say thank you so much for watching this morning walk through the Shambles in what is such a stunning, beautiful street, and probably one of my most favourite streets. It awes me every time. Literally, just literally, look, that is insane. Why not like, share and subscribe if you want to see more of this kind of thing, and old places, beautiful places, and just curious finds. And yeah, thank you for being here and watching. Let me know what you think to the Shambles. Have you been to York and explored the Shambles? It's such a beautiful street, and I'll see you next time.